Hello guys, today we prepare a fundamental ingredient for the Trappist beer, the candy sugar. But first, let's see the intro. Naturally, to create the candy sugar, you need the sugar. So I will use 500 grams of brown sugar because I like the dark beer. So there is no reason to use the white sugar and after boil it until become brown. So we can use directly the brown sugar 500 grams plus 160 ml of water, 1 tablespoon of lime juice and a pinch of bicarbonate of ammonium. So I will write here the ingredient. I don't know in English if I say the right pronunciation. I write here so you can find on internet or in the supermarket because it's a kind of yeast like baking powder that many people, especially in the big industry or in pastisserie, they use to make cookies. Okay, so now we put the sugar in the water with 1 tablespoon of juice and we put on the fire. We should keep the temperature of 90 Celsius degree for more or less 30 minutes. In this way we change the chemical structure of the sugar and after we go to add this, but I will explain you later. Like have you noticed, when I reach 100 Celsius degree, I turn off the fire. In my case, I have not the fire, but I have this kind of heater. I don't remember the name in English now, so please forgive me. But because this kind of plate remain hot, I turn off. Now I should wait 30 minutes. Every 10 minutes I will check the temperature. If go under 90 Celsius degree, I will turn on the fire again. See you in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes at 90 Celsius degree, our sugar should be inverted. I hope to use the right word, but I will write the name on the video. Now we should add the ammonium bicarbonate. Keep attention because the sugar will react with the ammonium. So you can do this in the basin. I will do this here on the kitchen to show you the video. So if there will be too much foam, I will remove the pot. Probably my sugar is not so hot, so the foam is very soft, you can see here on the surface. So now that we turn on the fire, please keep attention. When the reaction is done, we can leave our sugar on the fire at the minimum. Now we can focus our attention on preparing where we will put our sugar. So we take a baking pot and aluminium paper, and we put this aluminium paper in the pot. After, I will turn on the fire. I will heat more the fire because I want that my sugar is very dark. Keep attention not to burn it. After 4-5 hours, our sugar candy or candy sugar is very hard. So now we can broken it with a knife and store in a container. But to avoid that after the sugar will stick together, we should put some icing sugar. So we put it on the top of the table and after directly on the candy sugar. Our candy sugar is ready. I store half of the sugar in this jar, the other I will put in the dish because I will use to make a Belgian beer. Okay guys, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it and to watch the other video. Very soon here you will find the recipe to make or to brew the Belgian beer. Bye bye.